can see the rotation from left to right in front of it. Watching the back edge. Come on, baby, you've been trying so hard all afternoon. Let's do something.
It's rotating like crazy. I mean, it just keeps rotating.
Wow.
How is this not missing? Wait a minute, what's up?
Watching it.
Keep an eye on the ground too, because sometimes you don't always have the condensation.
Yeah, I'm watching. Tree line's in the way. Man, that is some rapid rotation. What's coming down in the middle? Come on. Jason, can you see off to the right of the wall cloud some of the precip? There's a little heavy stream that's like feeding into it.
Yeah, that's good. Shows you how much air it's pulling in. It just has to be careful not to pull in too much cool air.
Yeah. Has this thing even moved?
It's moving right for us is the problem.
Yeah. Starting to get little sprinkles out here.
Left side, left side, left side.
There it goes.
What is that?
Come on.
Air? I think that's a little one. I think.
It tried, man. It's trying.
I don't know. I think that was like a half-second brief spin up. I don't know if it reached the ground though.
Yeah.
The rotation wasn't tight on it.
There it goes again.
I think. Zoom in tight on it.
It's pretty persistent. Starting to feel the outflow.